with the kind of politics that we have had in this country, the politics that I call start-stop. There is no developed country anywhere in the world that has ever achieved the social, political, economic aspirations of our people with a start-stop policy. Kenya is about all of us, as my brother here has said. Kenya cannot succeed without all of us. It needs all of us. And this is, to me, the spirit of the handshake. It is not about two people. It is about bringing a country back on track. It is about bringing the people of a nation to feel once again that they are part and parcel of the whole. It is to remove the issue of people feeling marginalized, isolated, left out, and to encourage a feeling that existed in this country once upon a time when some of us were children, but we hear those stories, where Kenyans were proud to be Kenyans, regardless of where they came from.
I say that the way to revive this economy in this country is, number one, infrastructure. Number two, infrastructure. Number three, infrastructure. I'm happy to see, Your Excellency, that your government has picked up from what we said and has actually addressed this issue of infrastructure very aggressively.